it hard for her? You just saying? Oh, 12 shut it down, man. We out. Y'all see what's going on. 12 put up, got the tweaking. Oh yeah, in the track. Watch out for 12. What's going on, YouTube? Y'all know. Yeah, one more car interrupt me while I'm doing my intro. What's going on? It's your boy Taegoape back with another video. Tell them who you is. I ain't seen this person's face for so long.
Individual, one of the fakest ones I know.
I could really pull up the messages. She been ducking me for a minute. I told her let's line it up.
You too.
We got the track out. What you pull up in today?
Come on, man.
Can you give me a tour? Come on, show me. Give me a tour.
You over there trying to be caked up.
All right, this how you. Show me how you pulling up then, big bro. Damn, boy, we about to get smacked. Twin. Woo! I ain't even gonna lie, that blue cold. I ain't never been this close to. I seen you in traffic one time, but you just gone. Oh yeah, I ain't even gonna lie, it be hard. Okay, then what this is?
Huh?
What this is? Tell them what this is. They need to know.
CTV4 black.
Huh? What? What was on, brother?
22 CTV4 black.
CT22. Let me see this wing though. This wing hard.
Look at my tag.
Oh man.
If you knew about that race, like,
You know.
What this means.
I don't. Oh, come on, twin. You wanna go say nothing? My foot probably nasty, bruh. Bruh, you tripping. Damn, I'ma walk it off. I ain't even gonna lie, this hard though. Let me see what this interior hitting on though. Ooh. What's the fastest you went up in here?
180.
Ooh. What you doing? Damn, I ain't even get to look at that motherfucker. Damn, that's how you feel? I ain't even gonna lie, these seats look so hard, y'all. Damn, you got the diamond tread, the big bolstered up. Ooh, digital dash. I ain't even gonna lie, she hard. It be hard. I see the carbon fiber. Who you think you is, little bro? Every single time I see her, she just step it up. Bruh, if another car be disrespectful like that while I'm in the middle of talking, it's gonna be a problem. Look at this, what this is. Hey, say what's up to my vlog, bro.
What up, bro? What up?
Shout you out, man. Where we at?
Kennesaw with this shit, bro, for real.
Yeah, tell them subscribe to Taegoape. Taegoape.
Taegoape?
Yeah, tell us.
Yeah, I be watching. I see.
What you put up in?
I'm in the Charger back there. The RT, the 07.
RT?
Crazy.
Okay then. What's your thoughts on the track?
Say it in.
What's your thoughts on the track?
It's hard in person.
You f the track?
It's my first time coming into any SSG. Big, but this.
Yeah. You see what over here trolling. Y'all see what poppin'. We got this Charger right here with the underglow. What this is? Oh what?
It's a Daytona.
What year? Take a guess. You suck, but you're not being a good tour person. We got the trucks. Yeah. All these boys got the trucks out. You like trucks?
That's the owner of this whole entire post right now.
Right here?
Nah, the other one.
Oh, the BMW John? Them boys got them trucks outside.
I'm still trying to goddamn. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get this shit right. Feel like exotic be my therapist when I ain't hearing it. Every day my mind when I fall, then it's clearing it. Mama call my phone, she like, son, how you living? Mama, baby boy, good. Yeah, you know that I'm geeky like you scaring me, my baby boy. Damn, what the fuck? I told my mama, daddy taught me good. These niggas out of luck. When I'm in the room, I'm shining. Know my presence showing up. Don't get no fucks, might roll them up. Might take his holder, just wanna suck. And you know I'ma keep this shit 100. I been freestyling shit, but I ain't finna keep it free.
What y'all think? Y'all taking this SS or my SS? Y'all like the drop or the hard top? You got a good dark tints. I see what's going. It's nice though, but it ain't mine. I ain't got this. I like this one though. This one got the red seats. I see what's going. Pop the hood, got that supercharger. I know what's going. Who car this is? This your car? Hey, that car.
Now you be having fun in them.
Yeah. You like it or no? Is it hard for her? You just saying? Oh, 12 shut it down, man. We out. Y'all see what's going on. 12 put up, got the tweaking. What they need to do? They tripping? Me, cool. Oh, everybody did it. Everybody look. Everybody everywhere.
Hell no.
They like rodents. Them boys is like rodents, boy. Y'all see them boys? Look, y'all boy, y'all better run while y'all can. Run away from Kyle. Trey, you gotta get off on them boys.
Them boy
Hold on, bro.
Them boy pulling niggas over tonight.
200 on the dash. You gotta get off on them. You gotta get off on them boys.
Do this. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, way to do this.
Tell them.
It's 200 on the dad, better know that I'm a problem. I'm getting water, tell them pussy who be starving. I'm the realest one.
Hey.
Got banana bad woods and I got 3 bitches no fruity. Who tryna do me? Tear that top off 50 cool. Ain't even talking about my fire, these bad bitches shoot them move. Oh, this gon' blow this little hoe, I pull out the rack, watch how she lootin'. Yeah, I keep my fire in my possession, why? Cause I'm gon' use it. Told my bitch sister to join the winning team, right now she losing. Yeah, I hear a lot of niggas rapping, waiting on y'all to prove it. And I see a lot of niggas packing, waiting on y'all to shoot.
Yeah. You don't want it? Level. Level. You don't want it? Oh yeah. In my Z, I would've smoked him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. In the track. Yeah, boy, go. Better watch out for 12 though. On me. Shout your shit out. Say what's up to the tube.
What's up?
Yeah, that
Instagram or nothing?
That motherfucker hard. You been on the ground?
I forgot it.
Damn, look me up on the ground. Taegoape. T-A-E? Taegoape. Follow me on the ground.
Me, my boy.
I'ma hit you back. Yeah. Oh yeah. Just like that. Pull up. Trackies.
Hey, you talking about
Rackies on rackies.
enter the business and get going.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that was hard though. The pull up went crazy. What? You know to listen. You know to listen to her.
Hey, you can't do that no more.
You know to listen to her.
We get busy in it.
You know to listen to her, huh? That boy grinding, damn ya, nigga. Hey, I'm Mookie Dukes.
I don't talk, nigga. You can't put
Oh,
the
yeah,
camera on
I
my
ain't
face
got-
no more. I don't got no phone, nigga.
Oh,
I can, you know what I'm saying?
point of view.
What you saying?
I ain't gonna how I feel fresh off of L.
What you mean?
Oh yeah, first time they see you on the tube.
See, I ain't gonna lie. You on the bullshit.
Ever since you got whooped
You
down.
trying to run that shit back?
In
nah, I
that,
ain't
in,
worried
that,
about
in that Supreme Esport, you got a Jordan Supreme and
it. You trying to run
K3
it back, though?
K3 collab, huh? I don't want to have to whoop on you like that in front of thousands of people again. Thousands of
Why you
people.
say thousand with a capital T?
Thousands of people. Just it was
That
just
nigga said that.
just a couple thousands of people.
Where your shit at?
Oh, boy, you scared me like that bitch got told.
Hey, on my mama.
Let's see. Oh, my phone just had it. Let's see what's going on. Finna watch this. Oh my god. Y'all finna watch it with me. First thing y'all gotta do, y'all gotta support y'all people, man. Leave a like. I'm already subscribed. Let's see what the video talking about. Hey, answer your phone. Hey. 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 Nigga. Yeah, I see what's going on.
She can't tell me.
What video you watching? Corey posted a video. It's Corey SSG 2023 Escalade on 30s. This intro hard. I don't know what T or Alex did it.
Right quick.
What?
Check it out right quick.
Hey, one of my favorite things about the Escalade is the front grill. Now,
Yeah.
I ain't gonna count. The front grill just stands out
I
to me.
ain't gonna lie.
I also see I'm
It's the digital dash for me. It's a different beast.
I'm gonna do it like will it just be black, gray, and white. You know what I'm saying? So it just stand out, look
Mm-hmm.
neutral. And then make sure I get the front plate on front of it.
That's a mastermind right there, y'all. Go subscribe to that man. He doing great things, putting people in position. Yeah. What's today? Today's Saturday still?
Today, Saturday the 3rd, finna be Sunday.
Saturday the 3rd, finna be Sunday. So tomorrow I'm supposed to be linking up with a kid. And we're gonna do a basketball video, some car content. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all catching this the day before. So y'all gonna see this the day we doing it.
Hey, what is it?
So y'all stay tuned. I might go to a car meet in the morning, but I don't know. I might not. So y'all gotta stay tuned, man. Y'all gotta meet me in Houston, man, for the giveaway on December 17th. The flyer on the gram is on Corey, Life of Corey page, and I think it's on his Corey Pritchard page. So y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll get it with y'all next video. Yeah.